And you moved to Nigeria to promote the song.
Yep.
I saw you
Live.
in a video
Active.
with, Burna Boy.
Yeah, big love
Having
to
some
Bella
one
for
or
that.
two chit chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did the convo go?
Oh, Bella took me to Burna, and
Okay.
big love to Bella. I mean, that's a wonderful guy. If you look at Bella in the video, look at how he's actually so
Yeah.
elated for someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I love him for that. Yeah, love him for that.
And I see you in Obi House there playing your music.
That's what I'm
Bro.
saying, you know. Hey, that's it. But as I'm saying, you know, that's the aim of it.
Yeah.
That's the work. Yeah, taking the message to the world.
World.
Yeah, taking not just you, taking your nation, your entire message, your belief that you hold in your right hand to the entire world for them to know this is what you believe God is telling you. Yeah.
So should we expect any collaboration with Arathejay and Burna Boy?
Expect what's unexpected. I mean, yeah.
Guys,
there's nothing impossible.
if anything drops, Charlie, MS24. MS24.
Yeah.
Charlie, fingers crossed. We are just watching.